What's good, what's crack, what's poppin', everybody? And it's AJ. We back for another video. I hope y'all having a great day. I got this crazy hoodie, which I already just showed y'all on accident. But I just want to make this little video to show y'all this exclusive hoodie that I've never seen before. Can't find it on StockX, Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, regular Safari search. I cannot find this hoodie anywhere. It's the Nike hoodie from the Off-White collab, which might have been from 2013. So that's what it says on the tag. I'm not sure, but here's the hoodie. Feel me? You got the flag, top left corner. You got the Nike swoosh right here. Real strange, real Virgil-like. You got the off right here in the middle. Feel me? All white. That's pretty much it. So, you know what I'm saying? The flag. You got the stripes down the side. They're like circular though. They're not like square. Feel me? I don't know how to explain that other than that. The back, you got the X arrows all the way on the back and a green bar on top. You already know green my favorite color, so you know what I'm saying, it had to happen. Then you got the little TM, some Virgil shit. But yeah, that pretty much got this video, you know what I'm saying? I just want to show you guys this hoodie right quick, because this may be one of the most fly hoodies I've ever seen in my life from the Off-White Nike collab. Like I said, I've never seen this hoodie. Let me know if you guys have seen this before, because I never have, and the ticket's gonna be high on this one. But hey, this is a crazy piece. So I pretty much got this video, and I'm gonna let y'all go. But before I go, let me know if you guys wanted to see this CDG hoodie. I just copped this as well. Feel me? Big designer drip. So if you guys want a video on that and the sizing and the fit and all that, let me know. But that pretty much wraps this video up. Show y'all the tag right quick. But yeah, that pretty much wraps this video, man. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,100 subs. If you like the video, drop a like, comment. If you have any questions, I'm always in the comments. I'm gonna hit y'all back. And I guess we could just do a wave check right quick. You feel me? Till the next video.